morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm filming another little what I ate today vlog, follow me around style vlog, just a day in my life kind of video. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and I have the day off work. Sadly Andy's at work today, so it's just me, but yeah, I've got a couple of things planned today, so I thought I would vlog and show you guys what I get up to. But this morning I'm just making my lemon water. As always, I make this every morning. So now I'm gonna make some breakfast. I did feel like an omelette, like I just feel like something savory, but I have nothing to put in it apart from obviously eggs. So I don't think I'll do that. I think I'll just make my standard protein pancakes. I literally can't hold this camera up anymore. My arms are dead from yesterday's workout. But yeah, today we're gonna go op shopping. We're gonna go to the shops and buy lots of winter clothes because nothing fits me from last winter. I must have lost weight, so literally nothing fits me. I have one knitted jumper and one pair of jeans in my whole entire wardrobe, and I'm not even over exaggerating. I've got no clothes. So we're gonna go to the op shops and the actual shops, and we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna eat lots of healthy food. We're gonna bake some stuff. Like, it's gonna be a fun vlog, so stick around. I'm not even gonna lie, my pancakes were a bit of a flop, and this is the only one that didn't stuff up. So I'm gonna enjoy the one pancake that I have, and I caramelized some banana and walnuts in the frying pan as well with maple syrup, and it smells so good. So I'll let you know how this section of my meal goes, but this section is a big fat fail. So I've done my makeup now and I'm ready to hit the shops. It's around 10:30 and I'm gonna go to the op shop first, I think, and then I'm gonna go to all the other shops. So let's see how long it takes me to go shopping. I'll hopefully bring you guys around. I don't know if I'll take my camera just because like it's just like gonna get in the way with all the clothes that I'm meant to be trying on, but I might film a little bit on my phone and I'll show you guys when I get back if I buy anything. And I literally have no winter clothes, so I need something. So fingers crossed that I have luck and I find some new clothes. But yeah, let's go. So it's been a long day. I've tried on so many clothes. I literally think I went to every single store that was in that shopping center. I'm knackered and I'm hungry, not gonna lie. I just bought some raisin toast, like wholemeal raisin toast to have for lunch because I wanted something that was gonna take 5 seconds, and I'm craving carbs that time of the month. All I want is bread. So I'm gonna have that for lunch. As for the clothes that I bought, I got a knitted jumper from the op shop for 10 bucks, which I love. And speaking of raisin toast, I bought some black jeans from Kmart, and I bought just like a couple of basic t-shirts because I honestly don't even own basic t-shirts. That's how sad my wardrobe is looking right now. And I'm just like a bit poopy because, comment below if you're like me, but trying on jeans is like the most tedious and annoying, frustrating task ever. I just feel like no jeans look good on me or suit me. So I literally probably tried on 30 pairs of jeans, maybe more. Every store I went to, I tried like 4 different styles, and I need blue and black jeans. So I feel like at every store I tried like 8-10 pairs of jeans. So, and I only came home with one. So yeah, I'm struggling a little. But I'm gonna eat my toast because I think that'll help me feel a bit better. And then I think I'm gonna bake my brownies and film some more videos for you guys. So we'll see. So I just spent the last like couple hours editing the Q&A that I filmed today because, as you guys saw, I couldn't make the brownies, but Andy is home now. Yay. I love home time. And I'm just gonna make some peanut butter rice cakes because I'm hungry and it's leg day today, so I need to eat something before the gym, otherwise I'll probably do like 1 squat and leave. So I'm gonna make 2 rice cakes with some natural peanut butter, and then we're gonna head to the gym. It's nearly 6:30, so we probably won't go home until 7:30. And then we have so much to do. Well, I do. I have to meal prep my lunch for the next couple of days. And I think I'm just going to make the brownie recipe, but I just won't film it. I'll film it another time. But I need to make the brownies for my mum. So I kind of got to do that. And we got to make our dinner. So let's eat these rice cakes. Go to the gym. I will try and film at the gym, maybe on my phone if there's not too many people around. But if it's packed, then like forget it because I'm too awkward. But hopefully there won't be that many people at the gym and I can awkwardly film some of my workout, and then we'll come home and make some dinner. Yay. So we're back from the gym now. It is 20 past 8. I had to pop to the shops and buy the eggs for the brownies, but yeah, it was a good little gym session. We only did like half an hour, but I did a lot of like HIIT into it, so yeah, I still died. But I just trained my legs. I did some deadlifts, leg press, some like jump squats and that kind of thing, and now we're home. I'm sorry if you can hear the oven, it's like really loud. And I'm gonna make meal prep for the next 2 days because I don't have any food and I have to eat these zucchinis before I go to NZ. So I'm gonna make zoodles and bolognese. So zoodle spaghetti bolognese, I guess, in a way. Andy is prepping our dinner. What are you gonna make us? Chef Andy?
I don't even know what I'm even making.
Come on. What are you making?
Sweet potato, cubes.
Cubes? Yeah.
Cubes.
Chicken, sweet potato, and veg for dinner.
That's the one.
That is a scary sound. That just like knife.
Knife.
Chicken, sweet potato, veggies for dinner, zoodle bolognese for lunches, and I'm gonna make the brownies. So we've got everything mustered up. This is my lunch prep for the next 2 days. I've got the brownies from Mum and it looks amazing. We've got some chicken, a whole lot of veg, and some sweet potato cut up over here, thanks to Chef Andy. He also did all the dishes. That looks like a lot of dishes, but I promise I helped clean up all the other mess. So I'm going to end the vlog here because it's night time. We're literally just going to eat our dinner, have showers, and go to bed. So if you guys like this day in the life vlog, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below and the little bell button next to the subscribe button to be notified when I post a new video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye!